Good morning. Today is Thursday, June 25th, 2026. I am here at the Florida Yacht Club, and this is a zinc install video for Annison. We currently put 2 diver plates on the back. We were supposed to be putting some trim tab zincs on, but the trim tab zincs, the information given was incorrect. So we're going to go ahead and inspect those. The trim tabs have, on each side, they have 2 sets of bolts with a pairing nut, and they're roughly 4 inches away. The zincs that I brought out were the Bennett zincs, and the bolts are definitely too big to fit through that, and they are too far away. So let's go ahead and check those out, and then see if there might be something at the shop that we can bring back later. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.